Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Redragon WYVERN K761 Pro. It's a full-size keyboard with an LCD screen and volume knob priced around $65. It's available in two different colors, and I have the white and green variant in this video. And if you're subscribed, you can join the giveaway for this keyboard if you're interested. All of the details and requirements will be in the description below, so do follow all of the steps to join. Included in the box is some Redragon stickers, the keyboard user manual, a Type-A to Type-C USB cable, a switch and keycap puller, 8 extra mechanical switches, and of course the keyboard, which weighs just under 1 kg or 2.2 pounds with its mostly plastic build. Moving on to the design, the keyboard features a 104 key full-size layout with 4 indicator lights and the OS switcher and tri-mode toggle above the arrow keys, a volume knob and LCD screen on the top right corner, and it displays the date, time, battery, and other keyboard functions, alongside the settings for the homepage, RGB lighting, language, and time, and also comes with a Redragon GIF that's customizable with the software. As for the case, it has this two-tone design with the Redragon logo on the front, the Type-C connection port on the right side on the back, and 5 non-slip feet on the bottom with a magnetic slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, and 2 flip-out feet to increase the typing angle of the keyboard. Carrying on to the other components, the keyboard comes with these rounded OEM profile keycaps that are shine-through PBT and has the functions printed on for ease of use. Redragon main-member linear switches that are pre-loop and has a poppy sound. Plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-loop as well to reduce rattle and has some extra foam dampeners at the spacebar. A flex-cut polycarbonate plate that provides a very soft typing experience. And a 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB that has per key RGB and flex cuts and is tray gasket mounted as well. For the components inside the case, there's a thick piece of foam and silicone in the bottom case to make the keyboard sound fuller, a 4000 mAh power battery that can last up to 40 hours of use, and 3 more sound dampening mods in between the plate and PCB. Diving into the software, the keyboard supports the Redragon K761 RGB Pro driver. With this, you can set different profiles for the keyboard, remap the layers and keys with the functions available here, customize the RGB lighting's effects, brightness, speed, and color, enable the RGB visualizer so it can react to sound like an audio visualizer, record new macros or import existing ones, and customize the LCD screen by uploading images and GIFs from your computer to the screen. Here are a few examples, and I think they look pretty good on this small screen. Going on to the typing feel, the keyboard has a very soft and bouncy typing experience, which is great for long periods of use. The full-size layout with the numpad is also great to have if you're working with numbers all day. Plus, it's packed full with sound dampening mods, and when paired with the pre-loop switches, it has a very smooth and poppy sound, which is a great typing experience. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon WYVERN K761 Pro. Similar to the K762 Pro that I just recently reviewed, it's a budget full-size keyboard with a volume knob and LCD screen that's built for productivity. So if you're in the market for a full-size keyboard that's packed full with features and is under $70, the Redragon WYVERN K761 Pro is a great choice. And if you're interested in winning the keyboard for free, do join the giveaway I'm hosting with Redragon. The full details and requirements will be listed in the description below. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below as well, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard and hosting the giveaway, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.